was a digital battleground today. I see Vias polished tech, and I see CNS's signature chaos.
We're getting sponsored too.
All right, the high notes, the shotgun, the boundless, and finally, the big splash. Let's get this started.
Let's get this going.
The start of round one introduces the tournament's demands.
I'm curious to see how the big splash approach this round. I suggest keeping an extra eye on them. The high notes are turning into Vault 2. Rocket time!
Bro, no way I fell. There's someone's in there, bro.
The big splash, grab the cash box.
The first team wipe is in.
No way.
Arena is buzzing.
Just keep going.
Lead shot landed right on the high notes. The big splash kicked things off. Cash out is ticking. The boundless aren't wasting any time. They've started a cash out.
No, they're down there.
Delivery.
Killed the heavy.
What the fuck going on?
Dude, I'm loving the minigun.
Yeah, the minigun stuck there.
Yeah, he's throwing it at me. This thing even fries from range.
Grabbing first place, it's the big splash.
You were supposed to heal me.
Oh, I'm sorry. You gotta tell me, nigga. I'm just fucking. They're here.
Rocketed him. No
One
way.
shot by God.
They went range.
They're on top, bro. They're on top. They're on the cash out, bro. They're on the cash out. Why did everybody leave? The cash out is on top. We gotta fight.
The shock and awe are back. RPG fire. This will keep you going.
Wow.
How can he see me? What the fuck, bro? That guy's hacking. That guy's hacking. He's hacking. How can I even go? He's hacking. There's no way.
is the shock and awe.
Dude, I'm just mowing everyone down with this thing. Team wipe.
We just entered the last 30 seconds of the match.
Anything can happen now.
Barricades up. Here's some cover. Don't say I never did anything for you.
You put a turret.
The shock and awe are in a tough spot right now.
Yeah, he's one, bro. That guy's one, bro. That guy's...
Fuck off my character. I got him mowing everyone down.
The smartest.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Close watch on the big splash, in particular
I
this
pulled that
round.
dude off
They
the
put
cat. You should have heard it. I'm like, oh my god.
What a play. The they didn't get stretched.
Keep your head in the game. The big splash have respawned.
God, this is.
The Ultra Rares are taking control. First cash out
Me
start.
ew, bro. You should have paid me to hear that. Oh, these hurt. Come here, boy. Slow down, man. On the roads and bring around my minigun. Not gonna work, buddy.
Display and leading the way.
Bruh. Need the explosive. Come on, tactical. No big deal.
I wasn't in the game at that time. They kicked me out.
Whether they can keep that momentum going.
That was a standout moment in this competition.
Cash out complete, and the jet setters just got richer.
Bruh. Are we for real?
The jet setters are
I'm
piercing.
about to just blow the wall, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, of course my teammate did it the second I pressed it.
The big splash grabbed a cash box.
Beep.
Bro.
Oh wait, that shit did that.
Barricades up. Setting a barricade. The competition is heating up.
Players are feeding off it.
On top. He's on top.
You covered.
actually hurt, bro. Yeah. Oh, what? Over here in the corner on me. He's hurt. Yes. Nice. Good guys. I gotta reload.
The high notes need to hit the right pitch to stay in the tournament. Stay up! We're not done yet!
Watch out, there's a mine. There's a mine in the...
There's a guy here.
Oh no.
The event has transformed the arena into an arcade-like battleground complete with descending aliens.
The ultra rares cashing out with ease. High notes.
The high note teamwork is something to admire.
The jet setters have been grounded once again with a team wipe.
I'm sure that's
Here's a barricade.
they had in mind.
Weird.
The skies are still filled with these feisty players in this unexpected.
The high notes have regained control.
Oh no. One chance.
Big but slip up and their total gets slashed.
And we're just moments away from more chaos breaking loose.
A contestant has hit a streak, eliminating opponents one by one.
Kill 2. 3. I killed 3. I killed 4. I'm stealing. Heal me. Oh my goodness. No way. We just did this. I need to reload.
First.
This will protect us.
Motion sensor online.
Bro. Get these. He's on the roof. They're here. I'm hurting that guy really bad, bro. Killed that one too.
So long.
We got it! Oh my god.
No way. No way. No. Oh,
Yes!
let's go.
The team to beat as we plunge into the final round.
And another form
What?
in our upcoming two-team clash. It's the ultra rares.
That's crazy. Okay, I'm in. Let's go.
No stopping the ultra rares. Cash out in motion.
Motion sensor online. Proximity sensor active.
Okay, I have an idea. I'm stealing it.
Bad idea.
Never mind. That idea was terrible.
Oh, I'm reloading. Dude, they're so...
The big splash are back.
Let's go.
Honey, I'm home.
We're on the roof.
The big splash hit.
Ooh.
RPG away.
Why would you do that, bro? Come here, bro.
The big splash just made their return to the arena.
I'm just gonna blow up in the ceiling.
They're putting a lot of explosives in the cash out.
They're on. They're up here.
Openly fired.
I need those heals, bro. Can you res this guy? I gotta jump on it.